Hi, welcome. So today I will show you on how to use fitchconnect history history template where you can get uh, more than more than 10 years of bank's data. If you're familiar with fitchconnect, as you know that fitchconnect only give you up to 10 years data from its web page. But by using this add-ins template, you are able to get more than 10 years of data, even up to 20 or 30 years, depends on the bank's data availability. Okay. First, you need to move. First, you need to get the add-ins, which call it the Fitch Connect add-ins. Okay, where or how to get these add-ins? Just go to Fitch Connect web page. Once you log in, navigate to Hub or the support centers and go to Excel support. And based on this version, you just download your Excel add-ins. The installation is quite simple. Once you're done, open your Excel and you will have this Fitch Connect add-ins installed. Okay, so you can have a this is the guides on how to basically use these add-ins. Okay, so I will show you hands-on session on how to get certain banks in countries with selected variables. Okay, you go by this sequence. First, we select the banks. How we select the banks? Go to add entities. Okay, so this window will pop up, the entity search window. You can either select your bank's portfolio based on what you have saved in the web version. Okay, so I will go on a fresh start. Okay, for example, I go by sector first. So I'm looking for Islamic banks in, let's say, um, Indonesia. Okay, so I've selected Islamic banks, Indonesia. Okay, this we leave it as it is first. So you just hit search. Okay, so you have selected Islamic banks, Indonesia, and search. You better leave this option as it is. Okay, so once you're done, select all and hit add to template. Once you click add to template, all the banks list here will be transferred to your Excel templates. Okay, so you can close this selection. Okay, now we have based on your filtering, we have all the Islamic banks in Indonesia. Okay, next you go to the third tab, which is the preference. Okay. So in this section, you choose your start date and your end date. So it's best. So I'll choose like 1000. So the data will come up since 2000 and up to 2009. Okay, here the interims you can select whether you want it in yearly, interims, or both. So for this session, I'll just choose year end only. You can either select the currency, but only the major currency is supported at the moment. So we can choose local currency. This is where if the data don't have by the banks, you can choose whether to populate or not to populate the data. So my item is the variable that you have selected. I choose my items. So now you have your banks and your period and your currency. So you go to the next step to choose your variables. For example, total asset, ROE, liquidity, NPL, and the rest. So how to edit? How to select? Just click on add item. Okay. So this the field lookup window will pop up, and you can select your variable. Okay. You can even choose based on the criteria below, whether you want it from the balance sheet, from the income statement, or you can use the keyword. For example, I'm looking for total assets. Click and enter. So you just type total assets and RO, maybe ROAA, okay, and maybe non-performing loans, or NPL, sorry. Okay, for example, this one, okay, then add to template. Okay, so you can see that all the variables have been transferred to the template. So you can choose to close the window. Okay. So now you have your preference. So once you have select your banks, your time frame, currency, and your variable, you can go back to the first or the required entities page, or sorry, tab. And once you're done, you just click on download. Okay, this is the downloading status. So you have 10 banks from 2000 to 2019. Okay, the data has been downloaded. So you click OK. So now you have your first bank. So you can see the period type from 2011 to 2013. You have your second bank from 2011 to 2019. Okay. This is period date, the currency, because we choose local currency just now. And this is your variables. So we have selected based on total assets, ROA, and NPL. So you can either choose the foreign currency, for example, you want it USD or pound sterling. So once you select the foreign currency, you will see that the FX rate will be shown here. Okay. So that's all for me today. So just give it a try, and if you need any assistance, just email to us. Okay. So thank you. That's all.